Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna review the coconut oil from this brand called Merit VCO Extra Virgin Coconut Oil. This brand have been kind enough to send me their hair oils, and today I'm gonna review them for you guys. It's going to be my complete honest review and experience regarding the product. So without further ado, let's get started today's video. I'm sure 90% of you guys already know this brand because it's very popular, and to be honest, I feel it's one of the best coconut oil available in the market. So what's special about this particular brand and their coconut oil is it's cold pressed and it's extracted from coconut milk. The coconut oil brands that we generally use and are available in the market are heat processed. That means when they are processing the hair oil, most of the nutrient gets killed because of the heat, and it doesn't provide as much nourishment as a cold pressed oil would, and that is the reason they are much more affordable. The thing with cold pressed oils is that the nutrient doesn't get destroyed and it remains intact in the product, and therefore it provides 100% nourishment, and we get the full nutrient of that particular ingredient or that particular oil. The best thing I like about this oil is that it's edible. So if you want to cook your food in coconut oil, you can 100% use this particular brand's oil. And if you want to do other practices such as oil pulling, again this brand is safe to do that as well. Coconut oil when consumed has great health benefits, so you can blindly trust this brand in aspect of consumption, and I really like that fact about this particular oil. Moving on to the price range and size of the product, it is available in 3 sizes. This is the smallest one. It's 100 ml and it retails for 120 rupees. Very affordable in my opinion. The second size is this one. It's 250 ml and it retails for 235 rupees. And the biggest size is this one. It says 500 ml and it retails for 395 rupees. So I feel it's not really cheap, but it's quite affordable, as in most of the people can afford it. And why to buy those cheap coconut oils when you're getting such good quality and quantity in such great prices? Talking of the ingredients, the only ingredient present in this oil is 100% extra virgin coconut oil, so you are assured you're getting 100% pure oil blend in this bottle. Now coconut oil is generally on the thicker side of oils. It's slightly heavy, but talking about this particular oil, it's really lightweight. It gets absorbed within minutes. It doesn't feel heavy on your scalp. I basically use this oil for hair oil application, and it absolutely feels very lightweight, not at all heavy, and that is the reason I often sleep with my hair oil on. I like to keep this hair oil overnight. My hair is generally very frizzy, but whenever I use this particular oil, my hair the next day feels very soft. Currently I'm loving using this hair oil. It's 100% recommendation from my end. If you want to use it for hair purposes, it would with time enhance your hair growth, it would control your hair fall, and if you are looking something to manage your dry hair and moisturize it, it's a great product. Other ways I like to use this oil is I use it on my drier areas of my body, like the knees, the elbows, and even on my feet. Whenever you get any cut on your body, if you apply this oil on there, it would dry up and heal that wound really fast. You can even use it as a body oil 30 minutes before bathing. Many people love removing their makeup with coconut oil, but I feel coconut oil is slightly comedogenic for your facial skin, but this particular brand's oil is really lightweight, so if you want, you can try it once or twice, and if it suits you, you can easily use it. If not, you can totally skip it. So these are some of the ways I love using coconut oil. Coconut oil is a staple in I think most of the households, and it's a great ingredient, great oil. When you're choosing an oil, choose something that is very pure and natural, and then to lean towards product those are edible. In that way you know it's completely pure. And that's that. This particular brand is available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, and on their own official website called www.excelcombines.com. The links will be there in the description box down below. There are constant offers running on this oil, so you can easily get it for much cheaper. If you ask me whether I recommend buying this oil, I would say 200% totally you should invest your money in this oil. Definitely check this oil out, buy it yourself, try it for yourself, and you would love this oil, I promise to you guys. So with that, I'm done with today's video. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. With that, I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.